Alright, welcome back, guys. Reports coming in about some issues facing the Jamaican team on their way to Oregon to compete in the World Championships. But before we get into that, guys, please remember, like and subscribe so you can be aware of when we upload videos. So, word coming in now, this is from the Jamaica Observer, dated July 12th. It's that athletes on their way to Eugene, Oregon are facing issues. It says the Eugene, Oregon, the full complement of Jamaica's athletes to the 18th World Championship were expected to be in Eugene, Oregon by late Monday night, when the final set expected to arrive today, which is Tuesday, the 12th of July. Alright, so Lincoln Eatman, manager of the team, told the Jamaica Observer that the final set of athletes were expected in the village Monday night, but would not say how many athletes were still to arrive. Technical leader Maurice Wilson said on Sunday, while there have been some logistical issues, they were working well with the athletes and their teams, and having a high school facility to use had been a plus. The World Championships, the first one ever in the US and second in this part of the world, will start on Friday and will run through to Sunday, July 24th. Alright, so Jamaican athletes and officials had started to leave for the northwestern US from Friday of last week, but only a small group made it to Eugene on Friday night, and several flights were cancelled in the connection process. Those who were left behind included Wilson and coach Julian Robinson, who is responsible for the throws. Meanwhile, Eatman, who also shared that Dennis Gordon had been appointed the team's media liaison officer, downplayed complaints by several athletes on social media about the unsuitability of the athletes' accommodations on various halls of the University of Oregon where they were being housed. The Jamaicans had been housed at a hotel prior to being allowed to move into the athletes' village on Sunday, 2 days earlier than the officials' opening of the housing. But several of the Jamaicans had complained about having 3 persons share a room, some with bunk beds, and also lamented reports lack of air conditioning in the rooms. Eatman said there are standard dorm rooms on a university campus. We were in a hotel before where there was air conditioning. This is where all the other teams will be staying as far as we know. Alright, so we see complaints coming in already, and the championships haven't started as yet. Logistical issues with accommodations. As far as I see it, logistical issues. Sometimes in cases that can't be fixed in terms of flight cancellations, organizations and Jamaican track authorities can't really control that, but accommodations that are being provided by meet organizers, if they're not suitable for your athletes, then that will be a problem, because if athletes are complaining about unsuitable conditions, you have to consider how that can affect performance. Alright, and that to me is worrying more than even the cancelled flights. The accommodations is really a worrying thing to me. Okay, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.